So let's start today's class. In yesterday's class, we have finished area and its conversion, right? Now today we will see volume and its conversion. Okay, means particularly unit conversion, right? So see here. So basically, this volume is nothing but what? L cube for cube, है ना? Volume is equal to even pi r square into h. Okay, or this volume is equal to, I can say, this is nothing but area into length or height also, dimensional. So here, this area unit already we know meter square, and this length is meter. So what will be the unit of volume?
Meter cube.
Meter cube. Okay, what will be the unit? Meter cube. Okay, now how they are giving question or in a particular millimeter cube or centimeter cube, then how to convert into meter cube, right? So first one, let's see, that is, which one we will learn first? First one we will go for millimeter cube to meter. Okay, millimeter cube to meter cube. So first, if they have given volume V is equal to, suppose given volume is like this, given is like this, three millimeter cube. How much is given? Tell me how much? Yes.
3 millimeter.
3 millimeter cube.
3 millimeter cube, right? And now this 3 millimeter cube we have to convert into meter cube. So how we can convert? See, P is equal to 3 into, this is just 1 millimeter. Can I write like this? 1 millimeter whole cube. 3 millimeter cube means 3 into 1 millimeter whole cube.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yesterday we learned 1 millimeter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. Yes or no? 1 millimeter
Yes, sir.
is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. So if this is a volume V, and if I will substitute at the place of this 1 millimeter, what I should substitute? 10 power minus 3 whole cube. So what you are getting then? P is equal to 3 into 10 power.
Minus 9.
10 power minus 9. This is meter, hai na?
Meter
So this is
cube.
again meter cube. So this is what conversion of millimeter cube to meter. Okay. So A power m whole power n is equal to A power m into n. That's why minus 3 into 3 minus 9. A power m into A power n is equal to, bolo bolo,
A power m plus
A
n.
power
Plus n.
A power m plus n. So this all, whatever the basic formulas are there, we should remember. Hai na? This is Parle-G offer. 50 gram free. Yes or no? Chocolate, you are getting no 20 gram extra. Yes, this is what that part, right? So this is what millimeter cube to meter cube conversion in case of volume. Even sometimes you are having another formula like this also. V is equal to length into breadth into height. LBH. What is that? LBH. Yes, no? Do you know that formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V is equal to length into breadth into height. In case of brick, brick is kept horizontal, vertical. Then this formula only we are using. V is equal to LBH. So all these type of formulas whatever are there. Unit is what? Meter cube. And the first we have learned, that is how to convert millimeter cube to meter cube. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubt?
Yes, sir.
ఏదైనా doubt ఉంటే
Sir,
yes,
sir,
yes.
sir, is capacity different from volume?
Is
Capacity different from volume, sir?
capacity, you can say, if you are measuring in volume, that is also volume only, no? For example, suppose this is a glass. This is a glass and its capacity is, capacity you can say in volume also, no? Suppose this is its capacity. How much capacity? Suppose 250 centimeter cube or meter cube or whatever. Even you can say in this box.
But why do they have two
2
different
liter.
units, sir?
Yes, volume only. That is volume only. You can. Liquid is there, volume. If any box is there, you want to keep weight, then you can say weight or mass also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Next
so
one.
what is the use of two different units, sir? Why
Because
do
we
we
have
a meter
different
cube
system.
for volume, but liters and milliliters for capacity, sir?
Yes.
Sir, for volume we have meter cube. You are writing meter cube here, sir. But for capacity they tell liters, no, sir. Why?
Liter
Why do
we
they
can,
have different units?
liter
Even
we
though they
can
are
convert in meter cube also. That I will tell you later. Liter is more preferable
Okay.
unit as compared with meter cube. We will see that later ahead. How to convert liter to meter cube and all. All is one only. Okay. Right?
Sir, so which is the SI unit, meter cube or liter?
Meter cube.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. So let's move ahead. And now next one, that is centimeter cube to meter cube. Basically, you are getting these two things only. That is centimeter cube to meter cube. Okay. So sometimes they are giving like this. Let us suppose they have given you a brick, something like this. This is a brick, you can see, and this is its length. Okay, or whatever you want to say, breadth and height, whatever you want, you can say anything. Let us suppose this is B and this one is height H. So I am taking this as a L. This I am taking as a L length. This I am taking as a breadth, and this I am taking as a H. Okay. L, this is B, and this is H. Now let us suppose for this brick, L is equal to, they have given 3 centimeter. B is equal to, let us suppose, 1 centimeter, and H is equal to 2 centimeter. And they are asking you to find out volume. Then how you will do? Volume V is equal to L into B into H. So this is equal to 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So P is equal to how much? Bolo.
6 centimeters.
6 centimeter cube.
Meter cube.
6 centimeter cube. Now this 6 centimeter cube, what you have to do? You have to convert into meter cube. So now given volume here, given volume, this is just one example I am taking, okay, so that you will understand. So given is volume V is equal to 6 centimeter cube. So first of all, 1 centimeter cube I am converting. 1 centimeter cube is 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter whole cube. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me how much this is.
10 power minus 8 meter.
Minus
8.
how much?
6 minus 6.
Minus 6
Minus
meter cube. This is your 1 centimeter cube. So now given volume is how much you are having? 6 centimeter cube. So this volume V is equal to 6 into how much this is? 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So that's why 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. And that's why given answer is P is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now shall we move ahead? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, now I am having a glass of water. First, I will write one question. How to convert cubic centimeter or centimeter cube volume into liter. Okay. Yes, no, this is the only question you have, no, in your mind. Yes. Is that clear? This is only the question, no.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
for example, I am having a glass of water like this, or a jug we can take. Let's take one jug. है ना? Okay. And in this, you have, let us suppose, water. How much you want water? Bolo. This is water. And this water is 2 liter. Okay. Water is how much? 2 liter. So how to convert this liter to centimeter cube or even meter cube? Yes. So see here, the measurement for this is 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to how much? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So this is the standard measurement, because when 1000 centimeter cube is there, then we are saying that 1 liter. Getting your doubt now? Means is your doubt clear now? The one who asked me. So see, when 1000 centimeter cube is their capacity, then we can say that it is a 1 liter. So if I want to convert into meter cube, this liter only. So let's convert. 1 liter is equal to 1000 into, this is 1 centimeter, hai na? This is 1 centimeter whole cube. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So here 1 liter is equal to, tell me now how much? This is 1000 into, this is 10 power minus 2 meter whole cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So अब देखो, this 1 liter is equal to, understanding or not? Tell me, any doubt till here? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this is 1000 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So can I write like this now here? This is 1000. Can I write 10 into 10 into 10? And this is 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 3. Understood what I did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This 1000 is
Yes,
there
sir.
now. This 1000 I made like this. Okay. And this 10 power minus 6 is there now. I made like this. Okay. Now this power is nothing but 1, 1, 1. So this plus 1 and minus 1 shall I cancel? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understanding? Please tell me. Any doubt?
Clear, sir.
No,
So-
sir. All clear.
So this is equal to how much now? 10 power minus 3 meter cube. This is what? 1 liter. So tell me now, this is, can I write like this? 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now decimal is ikkada decimal. Here it is. If I will shift 1, 2 and 3, the left side of this number 0.001 into 10 power 3. Why? Because I have shifted this side. Actually is here. I have shifted this side. So 1, 2, 3. And this 10 power minus 3 as it is. Meter cube. This step you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, once explain the steps, sir.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir. Once explain.
You can see here, this is what I am keeping in the box. This is actually 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So decimal is here. So I am shifting how many places? 1, 2, and 3. Means one more 0 I am adding here. And I am shifting like this. So how many decimal places? 3 decimal points. Decimal points towards left. So this one I can write like this also now. How I can write? 0.001 into 10 to the power 3. You just multiply, you will get 1 only, no? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
0.001 into 10 to the power 3 means 1000 into 0.001. 1 only, no?
Sir.
So, and this is 10 power minus 3 as it is. So therefore, can I write like this? Therefore, 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 0.001 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
or shall
sir.
I tell one more time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I tell one more time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more time, listen. One more time, no problem. See. This is one ray. Okay, just let's talk about this one only. Okay, I'm just talking about this one. I am having one now. Okay, where is decimal point here? Now we know this side when we are going or this side when we are going. This is decimal point. This is which side? Right side. And this is left side. When we are shifting left side, 10 power positive power, hai na? Yes or no?
First.
And this side 10 power negative. How many decimal places we are shifting now? 0.001 means how many shifted? 3 shifted. That's why positive power 10 power 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that's why what I did, this one I have written like this. So just at the place of this one, just this at the place of this one, I have written this whole term. Understood? This part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this 10
Understood,
power
sir.
minus 3 as it is. So this plus 3 and minus 3, if I will cancel this plus 3 and minus 3, then what I am getting? 1 liter is equal to 0.001 meter cube. Understand conversion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is very, very important. This one as well as this one also. These two boxes are very, very important. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if now here 2 liter is there, 2 liter means how much? If now this mug is there, mug in this 2 liter is there, therefore 2 liter is equal
2
to
into 10 power minus 3 meter cube or 2000 centimeter cube.
here you will get 2000 centimeter cube or
2
else,
into 10 power minus 3 meter cube.
or how much you will get? You will get 2 into
0.002.
10 to the
2 into
power
10 power 3 centimeter cube.
minus 3 meter cube. Hai na?
Yes, sir.
Here it is there, no? One more, you can see this one. 1 liter is also equal to is also equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So this is also you can keep in a one box. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Any doubt?
No doubt.
Yes, sir.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
Understood?
Sir, I have a
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, you said you will tell us why liter is more preferable unit than meter cube.
Because see, if you want to just keep 2 liter, this is how much? 2000 centimeter cube. So 1111 centimeter cube, it is very small in it now. Liter is most preferable, no?
Sir, most of the daily used volumes are not as small to be measured in centimeter cube or not as big to be measured in meter cube.
Yes, yes.
Therefore, liter acts as an
Yes.
intermediate between them and it
Yes,
is easy to
very
measure.
good. That's what. See, centimeter cube is very small. If suppose even you want to write as a 1 liter, this is 1000 centimeter cube. Yes or not? It is like gram. Hai na? It is like gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So which will you use? Gram? No. You will use kg only, right? Why? Because it is most preferable. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, clear. Let's convert some liter to centimeter cube and centimeter cube to liter. Some questions we will do here. Next one, some examples we will solve. How to convert. Those who did not understand, listen carefully. Listen carefully. First one, 1000 meter cube is equal to how many liter? Okay, what I said, 1000 meter cube is equal to how many liter? Yes.
10 to the power of 6 liter.
1 liter.
कितना होगा?
Sir, 10 to the power of 6 liters.
10 to the power 6. Okay, so see here.
Sir, the 1000 meter cube is equal to 1000 into 1000 liter is equal to 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 10 to the power of 6 meter.
Wait, this is 1000 into, this is meter, no? Yes. So here 1000 into, what I am doing? This is meter cube, so this is 10 power minus 2 or plus 2 centimeter whole cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, how much you will get here? Bolo 1000 into 10 power
6
6
plus 6.
centimeter cube. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So now tell, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो कितना आएगा बोलो? Now can I write like this? This is 1000 into, bolo, this is how much? 10 power 3 into 10 power 3 centimeter cube, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is again 10 power 3 into 10 power 3 into this is 1000 centimeter cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how much? 10 power 6. How much this is? Liter. This ER or RE choice is your, this is American, this is Canada use, okay? So if anywhere you are getting doubt, basically you can use this American only spelling. So this is LETRE you can use, not an issue. Okay. Even you can use this small also, not an issue. So 10 power 6 liter you are getting, hai na? 1000 meter cube means. Yes.
Yes, sir.
1000 meter cube is equal to 10 power 6 liter. Any doubt? Understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
So here also, if you want, you can change it to RE. This is American one. Okay. So you can use that, not an issue. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what our centimeter cube to meter cube as well as millimeter cube to centimeter cube, and next one is from liter to centimeter cube or whatever we have learned. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So will you do this? One more, I am giving just one small example, that is 1 meter cube is equal to how many liters? Can you do it? 1 meter cube
10
Yes, sir.
power 3, sir.
10 power 3 liter.
10 power 3
10 power
liter.
3.
Very good. Yes, no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So let's stop here. I am giving you assignment. Just do it yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.